Accessories: LCD screen, Allen wrench. Operation: remove the platform, slide the control axis upward, and raise the cantilever to the top. Turn off the power switch and unplug the power cord. Take the smallest Allen wrench from the toolkit. Remove the screws securing the screen assembly. Gently take out the screen, flip the black clip upward, and pull out the screen cable. Insert the new screen cable. Flip the black clip upward on the new screen. Insert the screen cable and lock the black clip after plugging in the cable. Note: when inserting the screen cable, be sure to align the left and right sides, and insert it from under the white pressure piece. Remove the protective film from the screen. Gently place the connection cable into the wire groove, and secure the screen in place. Machine testing. Connect the power and turn on the machine. Click Tools = Screen Testing = to begin the screen test. Verify that the screen is functioning correctly. Place a sheet of A4 paper on the printing screen. When the screen displays NOVA3D screen test without any flickering, the screen replacement is successful. Note: if issues occur, turn off the power and recheck the cable connection. Once the screen test passes, reinstall the screws to secure the screen in place. Click to reset and reinstall the printing platform. Use 2 sheets of A4 paper to check if the leveling height has changed. If adjustments are needed, re-level the platform. Note: if the platform cannot be installed, the cantilever needs to be raised, and then re-leveled after the platform is installed. Once leveling is completed, reinstall the resin vat and prepare for printing.